Let's go! Don't run! Red spot, I'll catch up with you. The car avoids the barriers flexibly, chasing the red spot like crazy. Oh, it is a boy controls it. This car is with high-end technology, can trace accurately. Red spot is just LED red light beam, no harm to human body and eyes. On the smooth wall, I can quickly go. The ceiling doesn't bother me. Also the ground. I'm a light chaser. The other partners all light chase Superman. At night, I have LED light. Can find the red spot easily. Aha! I finally got you. More fun, more play. Or in the infrared tracing light wall climbing car. Friends, come and have a try.